I'm in the initial phases of recording for my Coaching for Performance course that'll be available in Q1. And this is a portion that I just wanted to bring to everybody's attention. Thought it was timely and thought I'd just share here on LinkedIn. It has to do with what it means for coaching, what it needs to take place. So this is a line that I have right here. Without healthy connection between the supervisor and employee, a coaching session is nothing more than a lecture. What it takes in order to be successful in coaching an employee, to be able to get them to start performing at a high level, it takes place long before you're going to be in the actual coaching session. It's on your daily, weekly, consistent, just every time you're meeting with them, make sure you're coming from a place of goodness and in their best interest. Make sure you're aware with your emotional intelligence so you can see kind of how they are operating day to day. Same thing for yourself, though. You have to watch how you are projecting as well. So that way they feel comfortable enough to come to you with issues. But then when time comes where you actually have to do a coaching session with them, and you have to go into the room and office, you have to say the words. When they get in there, they are willing to give you the benefit of the doubt, and they're going to be open to listening and hearing what you have to say. And none of that can take place without having that connection prior to getting into the coaching session. So without a healthy connection between the employee and coach, a coaching session is nothing more than a lecture. See you next time.